I was converting my YouTube channel to a brand account before it got deleted by mistake. Let me take you to a backstory of how I started my YouTube channel and the mistakes I made before my channel got deleted. Don't make these mistakes. As a small content creator, these are the things you should avoid when you're just starting out. Let me take you to a backstory of how I started my YouTube channel and the mistakes I made. This mistake is something that will guide you not to fall into the same thing that happened to me. When I started off my YouTube channel, I was confused about the niche I wanted. Before now, so many people were like, don't niche down, you are the niche, do your vlogs, do your thing. People will gravitate towards you. That is a big lie. Not niching down as a small creator is going to harm your channel and it's going to hinder your growth. You won't grow as fast as you want. The second thing is, do not do vlogs. Vlogs is basically for people who are already made and who are big creators. I mean, they already have like their community. Making vlog as a small creator is time consuming and you won't grow exactly the way you want to. So these were the things I did while I was trying to create my own channel. I did so many vlogs. I started with skincare. Those that know me know me. I have 3 channels before I got the last one deleted, which was over 5,000 subscribers. I had I did vlogs, I did skincare, I did I did motivational talk, health talk, pep talks, only in one channel. And now I'm presently even the last thing I did, I presently started doing um relocation vlogs. I started doing work, finding a job in the United Kingdom. Guys, all these things were things I did in one channel, and this thing hindered my growth because the YouTube algorithm became very confused. It didn't know if I was into skincare or if I was now into job finding a job in the United Kingdom, or vlogs, or even like health talks and all. I mean, if you want to grow in this YouTube space, you have to make sure that you find something that people are searching for. I know you've heard this thing 1,000 times, but the truth is that most times we have this temptation, or we have this tendency of doing things we like. Because the truth is that while I was doing some of these things in my channel, I wasn't enjoying it. But at the long run, I just felt like this is what I need to get these subscribers, so that these subscribers will keep coming up. I'm going to tell you that I had 5,000 subscribers, but when I drop a video, I barely even get up to 500 views in these videos. So this is to show you that people who have subscribed to my channel are not people who are interested in this kind of content I make. I mean, you might go out of your niche and decide to create something very fun and probably something that is catchy or trendy, and at the long run, it is going to harm your channel. I advise that you do things that you love and things that you know that your channel is all about. I still have another channel, which is also a very confused channel, and I'm going to link it in my description so that you see exactly what I mean. I also have 5,000 subscribers in this channel. So going down to while my channel was deleted, actually it was more like a mistake because that channel, I put in my sweat and my blood to grow that channel. But the truth is that I felt like it was not just what it should be. I cried. I had sleepless nights. I was like, why did this happen to me? Why all this hard work and all? So I was willing to start a new journey with you guys, and this is only going to make sense if you genuinely allow me to do exactly what you want me to do. Because the truth of the matter is, as a small creator, you have to listen to your audience, you have to connect with your audience, and without you guys, I won't be able to grow this channel to the point where I can help lives and help people. I know that the main reason why I'm making this channel is to help people and be a source of inspiration to people, but the only way this is going to work is if I have a family with you guys and I really connect with you guys, it's going to go a long way for me and for this channel. So guys, I don't mind even if you want me to do videos on anything at all. I like to know more about how you want me to do this video. By the way, I can even create videos about content, how to edit your videos. Honestly, it took me so much decision to decide that I need another channel. I need to be true to myself. I need to be more like genuine, honest, and just be myself, because I'm no longer all about the numbers. I mean, the numbers matter, but I just feel like it's a long term thing and I have to enjoy the journey with you guys as well, because what matters is what you guys want. Okay, back to my story. So, my YouTube got deleted because I prior to when my YouTube got deleted, I also was into entertainment. When I saw that there was a time Davido and Choma had this issue they had, and it was just all over the news, all over the net. I saw some of the small YouTubers, when they post something about Davido and Choma, they are getting over hundreds of thousands of views, and I'm like, oh my god, why don't I just hop on this? I mean, a little more subscribers won't hurt. After all, they just subscribe and then I'll just use my subscribers and do what I like. Little did I know that I was actually endangering myself, because at some point I made a video about Davido and Chioma and how the whole scandal went down, and and every other stuff though. Immediately I did that video was not even up to a 5 minutes video. I had, within 2 hours, I had over 3,000 views. 3,000 views, guys. And I'm like, wait, before now, when I post videos, I barely even have 200 views and 300 views. I mean, what's happening? So I was so excited. I was like, wow, how come I've been sleeping on this? And I started making more videos about the video and Chioma, even some tweets. I'll just get some tweets, people tweeting and all those. I just screenshot them. I just just find a way to create a video of them. I talk about the tweets and people's reactions about this particular thing trending about the video, and sometimes I even talk about like so many things. Even when the video's son, he lost his son, I did a video about it. I talked about it, like it was trending. I was getting views, guys. 26,000 views, 10,000 views. My subscriber count, that was what boosted my subscriber count to 5,000. And I was like, oh my God. Could it be, like, what have I been doing? I mean, I don't even mind. So all these things were just like, and as I was doing this thing, I was getting like, the pay was going up, because my YouTube was already monetized. I've already passed the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours because of the little videos I've been doing here and there. And but I never knew that there was something as beautiful as having a video about a celebrity, a big celebrity at that could boost me. I was like, guy, you know what? Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's make this happen. I mean, so after all these things, I was like, you know what? I'm tired of this. I was like, you know what? I'm tired of this entertainment. Let's get back to why we are here. Guys, could you believe that when I posted a vlog, vlogs are like, people are interested in vlogs. So with that 5,000 subscribers and I drop a vlog, guys, you should be expecting nothing less than 20,000 views, or at least let's say 5,000 views. Guess what? I barely even had 200 views. Hey, you needed to see me that day. I was like, these YouTubers are not telling me the truth. Was my YouTube hacked? What is happening? Am I having a strike that I don't know about? Like, everything was just kind of bizarre to me, because I have 5,000 subscribers and I barely even have 200 views on a vlog. Hell no. That was when I knew that my YouTube had problems. That was when I knew that things are not exactly as it seems, and I have been deceiving myself in the YouTube space. And you know what? I started even thinking about opening a new channel prior. I was like, is it not better I just start a new channel? Because I've put in so much work. I know so many gadgets I've bought because of this YouTube. Anybody around me know that I love YouTube. I'm a YouTuber and all those stuff. But the truth is that I couldn't. I didn't even know the best way to go about it. So, guys, everything just happened, and I just felt God let me delete that channel by mistake because it was already messed up. It was really messed up. There was no way I could just start going back and trying to figure my things out or figure my shit out or try to, like, correct the mistakes I already made. So, I mean, so many things happened, but I really, really, really did learn my lessons, and I'm kind of scared, skeptical, and at the same time excited to start this journey with you guys. And I hope it's really going to be worth it. And I hope at the long run, I will not have any regrets starting a new YouTube channel. And guys, it's just all about your support. The more you watch this video, the more you click on this video, the more people connect, and the bigger this family will become. So guys, let me know if you have any questions, if you want me to do any particular videos for you, anything at all. I'm down for you guys. Okay, it's nice having you here, and i feel I feel blessed. Okay, I'll see you guys in my very next video, and take care.